Fáilte roimh go fáil míle Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1, Topic at Trídeag, Orduithe. Level A1, Topic 13, Orders. Level A1, Topic at Trídeag, Rannóg a hAon ag tuairt Orduithe, Cuid a hAon ag díriú a bheith ag labhairt. Level A1, Topic 13, Giving Orders, Part 1, Focusing on Speaking. Le Míle, Orduithe a thabhairt de pháistí agus orduithe ginearálta a thabhairt. Giving orders to children and giving orders in general. Orduithe, orders or commands. Conas ordú a thabhairt do dhuine, a bháin. How to give an order to a single person. Úsáid fréamh an bhríthir, nor atá ordú a thabhairt do dhuine a bháin. They use the root of the verb in order to give an order to a single person. An mó orduithe, the imperative mood. Again, the root of the verb is used when an order has been given to a single person. So we look at the past tense of some verbs, and as we go through them, see if you can identify the root of the verb. Bhí, cha, chas, dan, di, dol. So these are several verbs that we have come across already in the past tense. And now let's look at the mó orduithe for each of these verbs. Bhí, bhí. Cha, cha. Chas, chas. Dan, fan. Di, I. Dol, all. So as you can see, we take the root of the verb. So be good. Bí gama. Cha mo yansi, I wore my sweater. Wear your coat. Ca the chota. Chas me auron, I sang a song. Cas auron, sing a song. Dan me satiach, I stayed in the house. Fan ansha, stay here. Di me ul, I ate an apple. I orashta, eat an orange. Dol me banya, I drank milk. All cup on tea, drink a cup of tea. Dan me in óstáin, I fan no maid. An aithníonn tú an difríocht, do you recognize the difference? So we have past tense and the root of the verb. Bhí me gama inné, cha me yansi dómh, chas me le macharja, dan me in óstáin mór, di me mo bhricfasta, dol me isce. And ish le amach iad. And now you read them out. Agus an ish a mó orduithe. Bí gama, ca an gceansaí dúmh, cas timpeall, fan no maid, I do bhricfasta, all the vanya. And now it's your turn to read them out loud. Déanmachnamh na difríochtaí idir an aimse chaite agus an mó orduithe. So think about the differences between the past tense and the imperative mood. And this time we'll look at them side by side. Bhí mé go maith inné, I was good yesterday. Bí go maith, be good. Chat mé mo gheansaí dubh. Ca an gheansaí dubh. So you'll notice sévu, no sévu. Chas mé le mo chairde, I met my friends. Cas timpeall, turn around. Dán mé an óstán mór, I stayed in a large hotel. Fan no maid, wait a minute. Dib mé mo bhricfasta, I ate my breakfast. Ich de bhricfasta, eat your breakfast. Dul mé isce, I drank water. Ol de bhaine, drink your milk. Úsáid tar fréamh an bhríthir chun ordú a thabhairt do dhuine amháin. The root of the verb is used to give an order to a single person. Ní úsáidtear na foranamnacha, mé, tú, sé, she. We do not use the pronouns mé, tú, sé, or she, and so on. So basically for giving an order to one person, you just use the root of the verb. Cén tórdú, which order? Teachig hAon a suas an scáileán, ceann cheann, agus beagart an tórdú a bhaineann le gach pictiúr a rá, de réir mar hagann siad suas. So pictures and images will come up on the screen one at a time, and you will need to give the order that goes with each picture as they come up. Cén tórdú? Fan. Fan no maid. Bí. Bí go maith. Ca. Ca an gceansaí dubh. Ol. Ol de bhaine. I. I de lón. Cas. Cas timpeall. Ordú a chhlacha. To accept an order. Conas ordú a chhlacha. How to accept an order. Is féidir leat, ceart go leor, tá go maith, cínte a rá. You can say ceart go leor, okay, tá go maith, very well, or cínte, certainly. Mar hampla, for example, ich do dhéanair, ceart go leor, okay. So we'll go over those one more time. Ceart go leor, ceart go leor, tá go maith, tá go maith, cínte, cínte. Ordú a thabhairt, giving an order. Tóirfidh mé ordú dit. Ag buint úsáide as ceann de na bríomhara ar an scáileán, mar hampla. I will give you an order using one of the examples from the screen. For example, ich do dhéanair, eat your dinner. Beagart blacha leis an ordú, mar hampla. You'll have to accept the order. For example, ceart go leor, tá go maith, cínte. Ceart go leor, okay, tá go maith, very well, cínte, certainly. Agus an sin tóigh tú ordú domsa, ag buint úsáide as na bríomhara ar an scáileán, and then you give me an order using one of the verbs from the screen. Cas timpeall. Bí go maith. Ol de bhaine. Fan no maid. Ich de lón. Ca an gceansaí dubh. Agus anois, seanstead, orda a thabhairt domsa. And now a chance for you to give me some orders. Is féidir leat bríomhara eile a úsáid más málaat. You can use other verbs if you choose. Following are the ones that we've been using. Be, ca, cas, fan, I, ol, fer, and éist. Pause the video while you compose your orders. Is le pháistí is mó a bhaintear úsáid as a le héad do Orduithe. These orders are mostly used with children. We don't really go around ordering adults as much as we do our children. And the following are some more examples of orders that we might use with children. Sí síos, sit down. Seas suas, stand up. Fáin i the heasamh, stay standing. Fáin i the hí, stay sitting. I'll go over those one more time and have you repeat them after me. Sí síos, seas suas, Fáin i the heasamh, fáin i the hí. If you're in a class or you have a study buddy, you can practice giving each other these orders. Otherwise, you can just practice reading them here on the slide. A hAon, seas anis sí síos. A chatríona, seas fáin i the heasamh. A hAon, fáin i the hí. A chatríona, sí síos. And now read them aloud by yourself. Like an bhuileog Orduithe uait den gníomhaíocht seo, you'll need the handout orders for this activity. Orduithe. Match seoil an tordú ceart leis an íomhá ceart. Match the correct command with the correct image. An sin, scríobh amach dhá ordú eile nach bhfuil ar an liste sna spásanna G agus H. Next, write out 2 more commands that are not on the list in the spaces G and H. Lé amach an dá ordú do the partner. Read both commands out to your partner if you have one. If not, read them aloud. Léigh the partner dhá ordú amach ditse an sin. Your partner will then read out their commands to you if you have indeed got a partner. Scríobh síos iad sna spásanna I agus J. Write them in the spaces I and J. Agus inis na freagraí A. Iver hAon, ca do bhuataisí. Iver dó, slí síos. Iver trí, ól do chopán té. Iver cethair, I do lón. Iver cuid, fan no méid. Iver sé, bí go maith. Freagraí B, iver hAon, ca do chóta. Iver dó, fan no méid. Iver trí, seas suas. Iver cethair, oscail an leabhar. Iver cuid, I do dhinnéir. Iver sé, ól do bhaine. Finish. Conas Orduithe a thuairt de bhairt nó níos mó. And now, How to give an order to 2 or more people. Éis go géir liom. Listen carefully to me. A imer, seas suas. A hAon agus a chetríana, seasagaí suas. A imer, fan I the cheasamh. A hAon agus a chetríana, fanagaí I bhúr seasamh. An isise imer, síos. A hAon agus a chetríana, sígaí síos. Cad a thug tú faoi dhearadh? What did you notice? Ar chola tú an difríocht idir na Orduithe san útha agus san olra. Did you notice or hear the differences between the orders in the singular and the orders in the plural? Éis the ríis, listen again. A imer, seas suas. A hAon agus a chetríana, seasagaí suas. A imer, fan I the cheasamh. A hAon agus a chetríana, fanagaí I bhúr seasamh. An isise imer, síos. A hAon agus a chetríana, sígaí síos. Inis, éis the ríis agus aber I mhaíag. And now listen again and repeat after me. A imer, seas suas. A imer, fan I the cheasamh. A imer, slí síos. A hAon agus a chetríana, seasagaí suas. A hAon agus a chetríana, fanagaí I bhúr seasamh. A hAon agus a chetríana, sígaí síos. Tóg nó méid nó hó, chun mac na bheith dhéanamh ar an difríocht idir an mó ordaithe san uimhir olra agus san uimhir útha. Take a minute or two to think about the difference between the singular and the plural imperative. Cuirtear igi fada nó I fada gi fada le fréamh an bhríthir chun ordú a thabhairt sa dara páirte útha, sin le rá níos mó ná duine amháin. So I fada gi fada or igi fada is added to the root of the verb to give an order in the second person singular. That means more than one person. For example, ihigi vor mricfasta, eat your breakfast. Éistigi leis an nuacht, listen to the news. Ólagi vor manya, drink your milk. Casagi timpo, turn around. Fanagi no maid, wait a moment or wait a minute. Caite an difríocht idir an dara chéil agus an dara leathan más tú. What do you think the difference is between the broad and slender endings? Leathan, AIGI fada, chéil, IGI fada. Cúpla sampla eile, couple of other examples. Imrígi pel, play football. Sigi síos, sit down. Airigi anish, get up now. Tosigi agober, start working. Leathan, I fada G, I fada. Chéil, I fada G, I fada. So broad, I fada G, I fada, or AIGI fada. Slender, IGI fada, or I fada G, I fada. And the difference between the I fada G, I fada and IGI fada is whether the groupings of the verbs one-syllable verbs versus two-syllable verbs. So in Irish we have two groupings of regular verbs, and then we have our group of irregular verbs. The regular verbs are the an chéad réimniú, the first conjugation, and an dara réimniú, the second conjugation. So an chéad réimniú, brithre ein silacha mar éist ó fan si, agus brithre il silacha a chríochnaíonn éifead il, éifead in, mar sábháil agus taspáin. So one syllable verbs, for example, we have éist, ó, cas, fan, and si, and then some other verbs that end in éifead il and éifead in. For example, sábháil to save, taspáin to show. An dara réimniú, the second conjugation, is made up of brithre il silacha atá sa dara réimniú, multisyllabic verbs. Críochnaíonn cuideacha IGH mar ceannaigh, agus cín eile IL, IR agus IS, mar ceangal, immer agus inis. So some of them end in IGH, for example, ceannaigh, and others end in IL, IR, and IS. For example, ceangal, to tie, immer, to play, and inish, to tell. So we have immer, éirí, tosaí, to start. Agus sin deire le Rannóg a hAon ag tuairt Orduithe, le múna, Orduithe a thabhairt, de pháistí agus Orduithe ginearálta a thabhairt. Tá na nótaí agus bilóg a oibre le fáil in éineacht le Cuid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom, úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.